Made it pretty far up the mountain, but this is what we got now. Just walking, hauling them back. Core is cold, so I have, well, we got a hill here. Oh, let's go, I gotta make it. Okay, so what we're doing here is hauling her, trying to keep Core warm, having a good time, hiking in Montana, snowing like a bugger. Pretty high up, pretty beautiful views, but there they are, hauling away, having a great time. Having fun, girls?
Yeah!
Yeah. This is great, it's good stuff. A little bit uphill here. Whew. Still doing a video. Good stuff. What a day. Here, look. This is where we're walking. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. My kind of place. You guys still good back there?
Yep, great. Are you okay hauling us?
Doing great. Feel wonderful. Oh, we got a down tree here. Got to squat under it. Got to squat under this bad boy here. There we go. Hey, we made it. Kids made it. You know what I want? One of those things you hook to yourself and has the camera hold out here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That'd be fun. Anyways, we're coming down here to a clearing pretty soon. You can see the mountain. It's really nice. Yeah, it's right up here. Good stuff. It's fine. Having a good day. So, as soon as we get there, we're almost there. Oh, a little bit of a downhill. As soon as we get there, I'm gonna show you this. I think this is the area where I saw a pretty big ice wall. Well, not big, but big to me, being from Jersey and Pennsylvania. Pretty big ice wall, and looks like there might be a cave right next to it, which is cool. If I was on my own, I might try and get up there to it, just check it out, but I'm not. But I love hauling these two around. It's a lot of fun. Guys still having fun back there?
Great.
Look at this. Ain't that something? Look at that. Oh man, there's that ice fall. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I see it.
Well, I'm talking to camera.
Oh.
But if you look next to that ice fall down on the clearing there, let's see if you can see it. Looks like there might be a little cave right there. There's a rock over top. Maybe, I don't know. But that looks cool. Beautiful. Here we go, ready? Ooh. Okay, just gotta get them going. Then we're good. Man, that's a mess. That's better. What a day. What a life. Oh, look at this. Isn't that awesome? My goodness. It's good stuff. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Still there? Where are you guys? There you are. This is all downhill, so it's not that bad. All right, see you at the bottom. From Montana, out.